Most AI tools today solve one problem. One helps you write, another helps you code, another one automates tasks. And before you realize it, you're juggling 5 to 10 subscriptions just to stay productive. But what if there was a single system that could replace all of them? Not just another AI tool, but a 24/7 all-in-one workspace that actually works for you, even when you're offline. That's exactly what MiniMax Agent is. It's an AI-native workspace where you don't just use AI. You build your own agents that can run tasks, automate workflows, create apps, and even operate your systems completely autonomously. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. From building real apps in seconds, to setting up a 24/7 AI assistant that runs tasks for you, to creating your own custom AI systems that can literally make you money. So first, let's understand what MiniMax Agent actually is. At its core, MiniMax Agent is an AI-native workspace. But instead of just chatting with AI like you normally do, this is built around something much more powerful. These are systems that can actually do work for you. Not just give answers, but build things, automate tasks, manage workflows, and even run continuously in the background. Think of it like this. Instead of you using tools one by one, you now have a system that can use tools on your behalf. That's the real shift here. And the reason this works so well is because MiniMax isn't just another tool built on top of AI. They actually build their own models. MiniMax Agent is powered by their latest model, M2.7. This is a self-evolving model that can handle complex, real-world tasks across tools like Excel, PowerPoint, coding environments, and more. And in benchmarks, it's performing at a level comparable to some of the top models out there, but at a much lower cost. Which basically means you're getting high-end AI performance, but in a system that's actually designed to do real work, not just generate text.
Now let me show you what this actually looks like in action. If you want to follow along, you can head over to agent.minimax.io or click the link in the description. It takes around 30 seconds to get set up, and once you log in, you actually get 200 free credits every single day, plus an extra 1,000 credits if you're a new user, so you can test everything out yourself without any risk. There's also a desktop app available for both Mac and Windows, so you can use it directly on your system as well. Once you're inside the platform, you'll notice how clean and minimal the interface is. There are no distractions, no complicated setup. Everything starts from one simple step, creating a new task. So for the first example, I'm going to build something simple but interesting. We're creating a small AI web app that can generate images based on your mood, something like a mood-to-art generator. Now, instead of writing any code, all I have to do is describe what I want. I'll paste my prompt here, and that's it. And this is where it gets powerful. This isn't just a basic input box. You can upload files, configure project settings, use sub-agents, connect MCP workflows, and even add skills depending on your use case. MiniMax also gives you access to a full library of pre-built skills, or you can create your own if you want more control. Now, one important thing here, everything is running on MiniMax M2.7, the same model we talked about earlier. And you get two modes to work with. Air mode is faster and works best for simpler tasks, while Max mode is designed for more complex, professional-level work. Since we're building full websites here, I'm going with Max. Now I'll just hit Generate. And this is the part you really want to pay attention to. It's not just giving output instantly. It's actually working through the entire process. You can see it building the structure, writing files, setting up the project, and preparing everything step by step. At this point, it starts to feel less like a chatbot and more like a system that's actually doing real work for you. Now let's push this further. For the second example, I'm going to build something much more advanced, a high-end AI consulting website called AI Trends. The goal here is to create something that feels like a premium, high-ticket agency product, not something generic or template-based. So again, I'll paste the prompt, keep the same settings, and generate. Now, while both of these are processing, you can actually see everything happening in real time. It's building out the entire project behind the scenes, step by step. Let's give it a few seconds. All right, the first website is ready. Let's open it. And just look at this. Clean design, smooth layout, and a proper working interface. Let's test it. I'll select a mood, let's say romantic, and instantly it generates multiple images based on that mood. So this isn't just a static page, this is a fully functional AI application. Now, let's check the second one. This is the AI Trends website, and this is where it gets really interesting, because this doesn't look like something that was generated in a few seconds. It actually looks like a proper premium product. You can see the hero section, the layout, the structure. Everything we described in the prompt is implemented properly. It feels like a real high-end consulting website. And here's the best part. This isn't locked. Everything here is fully editable and customizable. You can change the design, modify sections, update content, or build on top of it however you want. So you're not just generating something once, you're creating something you can actually use and improve. So from just 2 prompts, we've built a functional AI web app and a premium consulting website without writing a single line of code. And this is just one part of what MiniMax Agent can do. Now let's move to one of the most interesting parts of MiniMax Agent, and that is Maxclaw. This is where the idea of a 24/7 all-in-one workspace really starts to come together, because Maxclaw works like a personal AI assistant that stays active, handles tasks, and can be connected to the platforms you already use. And importantly, this is not just another chatbot. It's built for continuous execution and automation inside the MiniMax Agent ecosystem. To set it up, I simply go to Maxclaw from the left panel. The interface is clean and straightforward, and right away it's positioned as your 24/7 personal assistant. From there, I click Start Now. Next, it asks me to choose a configuration. You get multiple options like Visual Lab, Image Craft, and Topic Tracker. But for this demo, I'll go with the default setup and click I'm ready. Maxclaw then starts preparing everything in the background, loading knowledge, setting up the workspace, and within moments, the assistant is ready. The key advantage here is that there's no complicated setup. It feels like the system is doing the heavy lifting for you. Once it's ready, the next step is connecting it to the platforms where you actually want to use it. And this is a very important part. Instead of just working inside the dashboard, you can connect Maxclaw to platforms like Telegram and Slack, and then interact with your agent directly from there. For example, I type Connect Telegram, and it instantly guides me through the setup, including how to get the bot token. Then I try Connect Slack, and again, it gives a clear step-by-step process to complete the integration. So everything is handled inside the workflow itself. And this is where the 24/7 assistant concept really makes sense. Once connected, you can message your agent from these platforms, assign tasks, check progress, and let it keep running in the background. You're not tied to your system anymore. You can manage everything remotely. Along with that, Maxclaw also works with the broader skills system inside MiniMax Agent. You get access to a library of skills, and you can also create your own. It even guides you through how to build or customize a skill, so you can tailor the agent exactly to your workflow. So overall, this is not just about chatting with an AI. With MiniMax Agent, it's not a chatbot where you have to rewrite prompts and rebuild context every time. Instead, you're setting up a personalized AI assistant that retains memory, understands your workflow over time, and delivers support that's actually tailored to your needs, while connecting with your tools and running tasks continuously as part of a larger system. Now, one more thing that really completes this entire system is how MiniMax Agent actually fits into your real workflow. Because this isn't limited to just building websites or running tasks in the cloud. You can also use it alongside your desktop environment, and with features like Pocket, you can even connect it to platforms like Slack to send commands from your phone and remotely control your computer. That means it can handle system-level actions like navigating pages, transferring files, and working with your day-to-day tools. So if you want to try this out yourself, you can head over to agent.minimax.io or click the link in the description. It takes around 30 seconds to get started, and you get 200 free credits daily, plus 1,000 extra credits if you're a new user, so you can test everything out properly. If you're serious about using AI not just for experimenting, but for actually building real systems and automating real work, this is definitely something worth checking out.